I'm David from Refinish Media, and today we're doing a review on the StartingLine kit from DeVilbiss. It comes with a primer gun and a top coat gun, and we're going to be painting this bumper right here, and we're going to be doing a prime up to see how these guns work. We're also going to be giving these guns away. It's our very first giveaway ever, so link below is going to be the video where you can sign up for the giveaway. Let's get into the unboxing. So this kit should come with everything that you need to do your very first paint job. Starting on the right, this kit comes with two of these white plastic filters. These filters are what are going to go inside of your stainless steel cup, and these are going to strain your paint as it goes through the gun. If you are going to use that system, I'd recommend getting some more. It also comes with a 1.5mm tip, and this is nice for something like epoxy or a waterborne primer, so it is cool that it comes with that. It also comes with this tool, and while this tool is useful, I'd recommend getting a 10mm wrench that you can use on the tips of the gun just so you don't round the corners. It also comes with two stainless steel cups. While I usually don't use the stainless steel cups, it is nice that it comes with two, one for each gun. I typically opt for a disposable system like D cups or PPS. The all chrome gun is going to be your primer gun, and it comes with a 1/8 tip, and this will be good for your high build urethane primers. In the middle comes with a regulator. It does only come with one regulator, but this is where you're going to hook up your air fitting. You are going to have to swap them between both the guns. I would be careful with it. It does seem a little bit cheap, so be careful getting thinner on it. The blue gun here, this is going to be your top coat gun for your sealers, your base, your clear, maybe even single stage, and this comes with a 1.3 tip. And then the last thing on the left is going to be your cleaning kit. It just comes with 3 brushes. The first thing you're going to want to do when you get your guns is break them down and run some thinner through them. Putting it back together, I always start with the fluid tip. I like to get it hand tight, and then I use the tool just to cinch it down. The next thing I put on is the air cap. This can go either direction, but you just want it horizontal. Now this is just going to be hand tight. After that, I like to go with my needle, but I do like to put some lubricant on this gold lobe. After the needle goes the spring, and then the retainer. Now this is the adjustment knob for your fluid. So I like to pull back on the trigger firmly, and as I tighten it in, you'll get to a point where you feel some resistance. Once you hit that, that's full needle, full fluid. Above that is the fan adjustment knob, and I want to back that all the way out just so it's ready to spray. The only other thing I like to do is put a little bit of lubricant on the air valve. This bumper is off of a Lincoln MKZ. The paint code is UX, so it is a silver, and it should be a good test to see how this gun sprays and lays out those metallics. Starting with sealer, I am spraying this gun at 25 to 27 psi. I am turning in the fan pattern about 3/4 of a turn just to clean it up. It seems to have quite a long eye pattern fan. Comparing this to other mid-range or high-end guns from DeVilbiss or any other brand, there are some significant differences. The build quality on this gun is not going to be as good, and the finish is not going to be as nice, but you get what you pay for. This is a StartingLine kit for somebody who's a do-it-yourselfer or a beginner, and the best part about it is built by a reputable company that has replacement parts available out there on the market. It's also going to have very good transfer efficiency, so you're not going to be wasting so much material just by having a cheap gun. Comparing this to my typical sealer gun, which is an RP, it is a lot slower, You are going to have to slow down to achieve the same finish as you would with an RP, but that's because this is an HVLP, so it's high volume, low pressure, and it'll do a better job at consuming less air if you are at home with a home air compressor setup. Getting into our first coat of base, I am liking the way that it's laying down these metallics. It's doing a pretty good job at atomizing them, and it's not coming out too mottily. It does feel pretty good in the hand. Another good gun that I can compare it to is the Iwata LPH 400. While that has a slightly smoother trigger, it does feel very similar. As you can see, it's doing a really good job laying out that silver. It also cleans up very easily. So getting into our first coat of clear, it is an HVLP, like I said before, so you do have to slow down quite a bit to get that nice finish. But our first coat is just going to be a nice medium wet coat to get a good feel for the gun. Overall, this gun does a really good job at what it's supposed to do. For the last coat of clear, I just want the results to speak for itself. So testing out this primer gun, we're going to do a spot on this Lincoln fender and bumper. While there isn't too much I can really say about this primer gun, it seems like it has a lot of control and it lays out the primer pretty nice. Overall, I think this gun kit is great for somebody who's just getting into it or somebody who has a project that they want to get done. I think the results speak for themselves. They do a pretty good job. I do want to say a big thank you to Mark Cartier for giving us these 2 gun kits to give away to you guys. If you're interested in entering, linked below will be the videos where you could go sign up, or check us out on YouTube under the video giveaway, or on Facebook under the video of the giveaway. Thanks for watching.